Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to delete your TikTok account permanently. So let's start it. First, open your TikTok apps, then click on profile icon, then click on three lines. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Click on Account Center. Then click on Deactivate or Delete Account. Then click on Delete Account permanently. Then choose your problem. Then continue. Then select tick mark and continue. Then tap on continue. Now a code will come to your Gmail. Enter this code here. Then click delete account. And that's it. Your TikTok account is successfully deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.